songbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight, and sing. And today you're going to learn how to increase your vocal stamina. And we're going to cover 3 amazing tips on how. Number 1, get healthy. Number 2, get deeply grounded in correct vocal technique. Number 3, increase your stamina incrementally. Let's go. Number 1, get healthy. The stamina of your body will affect the stamina of your voice. After all, your body is your instrument. Just like a free body will facilitate a free voice, a strong and vibrant body will facilitate a strong and vibrant voice. Building great stamina in your body will help you build your vocal stamina. And this all starts with a good night's sleep. If you want your body to have stamina, you have to give it the rest it so craves after a long day's work. Secondly, it's about fueling your body with food that gives you nutrients and energy by eating as healthy as you can most of the time. Thirdly, it's about prioritizing regular movement. Yes, I'm talking about getting active with some sort of exercise or sport that for you brings energy and stamina to your body. This could be going for walks, running on a treadmill, lifting weights at the gym, doing yoga, aerobics, sports, running, dropping down on the floor and doing a series of push-ups at random intervals throughout the day, hiking, biking, whatever. The sky is the limit. The key is this: you need to find something that gives you energy. Don't just do what you think you should do. Do something that you really enjoy and will give you energy. Then schedule it in your diary as a top priority. The bodily stamina you build will flow onto your vocal stamina, and your body and your voice will thank you for it. A great side effect of getting fit is also that your breathing capacity increases, which is always great for singing. Number 2, get deeply grounded in correct vocal technique. In order to increase your vocal stamina so that you can sing more difficult songs and also for longer periods of time without tiring too easily or losing your voice, there is no getting around learning correct vocal technique. There's just no shortcut to take here. Correct vocal technique will enable you to use your voice in the most efficient way. This means exerting the least amount of effort to get a big result. You've seen it done before with your fave singers. They have so much power in their voice, yet it seems so easy. It's because they've worked really hard at learning to use their voices properly, so that they use very little effort, but they get a great and big sound. You can learn that too if you invest in your vocal technique knowledge and development. Now Songbird, it's great. You're already doing this now by being a great supporter of the Songbird Tree YouTube channel. Thank you so much. But if you need further help with that, myself and my associate coaches have got your back. Just click here to find out more about our fun one-on-one coaching options to help you learn great vocal technique in order to build amazing vocal stamina. And yes, we coach songbirds from all over the globe on Skype. Number 3, increase your stamina incrementally. The key to increasing your vocal stamina is to challenge yourself just a little more each day over a substantial amount of time. Your body cannot be forced into the heights of vocal stamina in one day or even 1 week. A classic example to illustrate this is something I come across a lot with my one-on-one coaching students. So a student might come in with a very, very difficult song. For example, all the girls want to sing Love on Top by Beyonce. Now, if you know this song or you've tried to sing it, you know that this song requires your A game when it comes to vocal stamina. So what I do is I never tackle the whole song with all of its 10,000 key changes in one sitting. No way! We spend the lesson building all the technical things that are needed to make this song as effortless as possible. For example, we work on breathing, support, and resonance. They're the big ones for this song. Then we might sing one verse and one chorus. And this is all we really do and all I require for my students to work on in 1 week. Because remember, it's all about building stamina slowly. Once that's nailed, and that can be sung with relative ease, we then move on to the next verse and chorus. And then we incrementally build until we've done the whole song. And sometimes this can take weeks, But this is a much healthier and sustainable way to build stamina rather than forcing through it all in one go. It's actually quite counterproductive to rush this process and can cause discouragement when you can't get it, and at worst, vocal damage because you've pushed your voice way too hard. And there you have it, Songbird. 3 amazing tips to help you increase your vocal stamina. Thumbs up if you found that helpful. Now there's plenty more videos to help you sing the way you've always wanted to, Songbird, so please do make sure that you subscribe over at the channel and also at my website at songbird.com to make sure that you never miss any of our videos. And of course, when you sign up at the website, you'll also get an amazing free gift from myself, which is a singing workout video to help you transform your voice. Now it's time to share the love by sharing this video with your Songbird friends so that they too can learn how to increase their vocal stamina. For daily singing tips, inspirations, and vocal health tips, and other exciting stuff that we get up to at songbird.com, follow us on social media. Songbird, I am always believing in you. So why don't you go forth and get grounded, take flight, and increase your vocal stamina. Now, Songbird, if you desperately want to increase your vocal stamina by getting grounded in great vocal technique and maybe one-on-one coaching isn't an option for you right now, I really want to invite you to go and check out my Vocal Revolution program. It's a super duper affordable way to learn everything that I teach my one-on-one coaching students through video modules. And that's me becoming your virtual vocal coach. And you'll also have direct access to me and support from myself and my associate coaches. So do go and find out more at songbird.com.